Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Look what I have in front of me. Mayonnaise. Why? Because we love mayonnaise and because it's never enough. Another recipe for a vegan mayonnaise, and that's exactly what we're gonna do here now. And you're gonna love this one because it's not even a recipe for a vegan mayonnaise, but also a vegan sauce. How about that? You're going to love it. It's very versatile. And oh, have I mentioned we're going to use white beans? Yes. First of all, we're going to saute some onions until they're golden, okay? Not too brown, golden. And you may be asking yourselves why. For a lot of reasons. Very simple, because it tastes better. So every time you use onions in your recipes, please saute them first, because this way you're going to encourage the Maillard effect. Remember, we have spoken about that, which is to caramelize it. And this way the food is going to taste way better, in this case the onions. And every time I use onions, I always saute them first. This is a very valuable tip for you. And then we're going to add white beans to the blender. They have been cooked and drained. Tofu. Now, if you don't want to use tofu, what can you use? Several things. You can use a baked potato or a boiled potato, of course, drained, no water. Or you can use soaked cashews, same, no water, only the cashews. And almonds, you can use almost anything you like, okay? 1 clove of garlic, nutritional yeast, salt to taste, some olive oil, water, and of course, to balance everything out, some lemon or lime or vinegar or mustard. Mustard in this recipe is amazing, okay? All the measurements are going to be in the description box under the video, so don't worry about taking notes on what I'm saying now. It's going to be all there or on my website, okay? So don't worry, so just enjoy the video. And now we're going to blend it and until it's very, very smooth. Oh, by the way, the tofu, should I press the tofu or not? Yes, always press the tofu because we don't want any extra unwanted liquids in the food, because sometimes we add the tofu and it's unpressed, and then you end up with a very liquidy recipe, and then you have to overcompensate by adding extra ingredients, and then you lose all the core of your recipe. So every time try to press the tofu, okay?
Just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would believe in me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known try my best to move on, to let go.
This is versatile, like I have said. You can add it to your bread as a spread, and then you can add herbs to it, and then also put it in your bread, and as a dip for vegetables, or you can use as a sauce for a mac and cheese. Yeah, you can do that. Either cold or hot, amazing. And of course, vegan mayonnaise. This is my weakness because it's something that reminds me a lot of my childhood. Every time, not every time, of course not, but many times on weekends my mom used to make that, and that brings me back a lot of good memories because I was a nightmare child to feed. I would never eat any fish or meat or anything, so the mayonnaise would save me. I didn't know anything about eggs before. to which I have never had actually a boiled egg or a fried egg or something. No, I didn't like it. But a mayonnaise, I would have it, so it saved me. And then I realized I didn't have to skip that because I can veganize it. So heaven, isn't it? At least me. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends or your enemies. Just share. They're gonna either love you or hate you for that. And subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my website, because over there you're going to get a free ebook with the 10 very easy to put together weeknight recipes that is going to be ready in no time. And this is it. I hope you have had fun. I have. And follow me on my social media. And if you make it, please tag me on Instagram and Facebook. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.